Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all typing options. Start by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access General Management. After that, click on Samsung Keyboard Settings. As you can see, smart typing options are over here. To manage them, click on the switches next to the chosen ones, or tap on the chosen one and manage it. When you finished, you can scroll down, click on More Typing Options, and manage all of those the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!